Hello besties! Alam nyo ba na nandito ako ngayon sa Philippine Arena kung saan malapit lang si Northwing Global City, the new township in Bulacan! Let's go! Samahan nyo ako magala. Find the best property in the Philippines with Lux Manila. Hello besties! Available na for pre-selling ang first condo sa Northwing Global City, ang bagong township ni Mega World sa Bulacan. We offer 60 months to pay, no down payment, and zero interest for our pre-selling condo, which is C9 Central Park. And it will be ready by November 30, 2027. For only 50,000 pesos, you can reserve your unit now. It's only one drive away to the new airport and the Philippine Arena.